you doing here?
We're filming him snoring.
Who's that?
Gilbo.
Nuclear bomb! What are you doing?
Go to bed.
You were snoring.
Go.